There are a few home hacks that sound so strange people laugh them off right away. You hear them and think there's no way that actually works in real life. But some of these simple tricks quietly solve everyday problems faster than anything you can buy at the store. We all want an easier, cleaner, healthier home without spending a lot of money or effort. The problem is, most of us ignore simple solutions because they sound too basic to be true. Today we're talking about home hacks people don't believe, even though they actually work when you try them the right way. These aren't complicated DIY projects or weird internet myths. These are small changes using things you already have at home. Once you see how they work, you'll start looking at everyday items very differently. Let's start with something almost everyone has in their kitchen: white vinegar. Most people only think of it as a cooking ingredient, but vinegar is one of the strongest natural cleaners around. It breaks down grease, removes odors, and even helps stop ants from following scent trails across counters. Another hack people don't believe is using baking soda for smells instead of air fresheners. Sprays only cover odors for a short time, but baking soda actually absorbs them. That's why it works so well in shoes, trash cans, and even refrigerators. Here's one that surprises people. Lemon peels can help clean and freshen your garbage disposal. The natural oils in the peel cut through grime and leave a fresh scent. It's simple, but it works better than many store-bought cleaners. Many people also don't believe that salt can help remove stains, but salt absorbs moisture, which helps lift stains from fabric and carpets. That's why it works so well on fresh spills like wine or juice when you act fast. Let's talk about pests for a moment. A lot of people don't believe that sealing tiny gaps matters. They think bugs just appear out of nowhere. In reality, ants and other pests can squeeze through openings smaller than a grain of rice. Another overlooked hack is keeping surfaces dry. Bugs love moisture more than food. Wiping down sinks and counters at night can reduce pests more than spraying chemicals during the day. Here's a health-related hack people often ignore. Opening windows for just 10 minutes a day can improve indoor air quality. Fresh air helps remove trapped odors and stale air, even in cold weather. Many people also don't believe that rearranging furniture can change how a room feels. Moving couches and chairs closer to natural light can boost mood and energy. It's a small change, but it can make a space feel more alive. Let's talk about cleaning tools. Microfiber cloths are often underestimated. They grab dust and bacteria instead of pushing it around like paper towels. Once people switch, they usually never go back. Another surprising hack is using ice cubes in the garbage disposal. The ice helps knock loose stuck-on debris, while the cold firms up grease so it breaks away. Add a little leaven and it works even better. Some people don't believe that clutter affects stress, but studies and real-life experience show that visual mess can increase anxiety. Clearing just one small area can make your whole home feel calmer. Here's one more people doubt. Using a simple doormat inside and outside your door can reduce dirt in your home by more than half. Less dirt means less cleaning and better air quality. Here's the big one that most people really don't believe. The best home hack isn't a product or a trick at all. It's consistency. Small habits done daily beat big cleaning days every time. Wiping surfaces, airing out rooms, and fixing small problems early prevent bigger messes later. Most miracle hacks fail because people try them once and stop. The real secret is using simple hacks regularly, not perfectly. So here's the takeaway. The best home hacks are often the simplest ones. Vinegar, baking soda, fresh air, and small daily habits can do more than expensive products. If this helped you see your home a little differently, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy health and home tips. Drop a comment and tell me which home hack you didn't believe at first. And here's my question for you. What's one small habit you could start today to make your home healthier?